In today's video, we're talking about how to enable Magento 2 Guest Checkout. Guest Checkout is a great feature that allows customers to make purchases on your online store without registering for an account. It streamlines the checkout process, improves conversion rates, and expands your loyal customer base. Let's dive in. Enabling Guest Checkout in Magento 2 has several benefits. First, it speeds up the checkout process, making it faster and more convenient for users. Second, it provides a better shopping experience by allowing customers to focus on purchasing products instead of creating an account. Next, it increases conversion rates because a simplified checkout process encourages customers to complete their purchases. And finally, it helps attract new customers who may be hesitant to share their personal information with an unfamiliar store. How do you enable Guest Checkout in Magento 2? It's quite simple. Just follow these steps. Log into your Magento 2 admin panel using your credentials. Navigate to Store Settings, then select Configuration. In the Sales tab, click on Checkout. In the Checkout Options section, click on the Allow Guest Checkout field and set it to Yes to enable Guest Checkout or No to disable it. Lastly, save your changes, and you're done. If you're looking to enhance the Guest Checkout experience further, third-party extensions can help convert guest users into registered customers. Remember, forced registration can often lead to higher cart abandonment and reduced conversion rates, so it's important to offer the option of Guest Checkout. So there you have it. Enabling Guest Checkout in Magento 2 can greatly enhance your online store's user experience and conversion rates. Give it a try and see how it works for you. If you found this video helpful, check out our other videos by subscribing to the channel. Thanks for watching and see you next time.